It claims over 7 million lives a year. 1 in 5 men and women will die from it. It's the #1 killer in the world. But it doesn't have to be that way. Cardiovascular fitness. It's the leading health issue of our time. Maintaining a healthy heart isn't complicated. For decades, medical experts have told us to eat a low-fat, high-fiber diet, quit smoking, and exercise daily. Unfortunately, most of us have a hard time following this advice. Now we have a new tool to help support overall cardiovascular health. Introducing new Forever Cardio Health with CoQ10 from Forever Living Products. Forever Cardio Health provides 3 important nutritional supports for healthy cardiovascular function. It contains coenzyme Q10 to promote efficient cell function, including those of the heart and blood vessels. CoQ10 levels are reported to decrease with age, which is just when we need them most. It promotes lower, healthier levels of homocysteine, an amino acid in the blood that helps support healthy heart and blood vessel function. Finally, it contains heart-healthy antioxidants, minerals, and herbal extracts, all of which have been found to be beneficial for overall cardiovascular support. Simply mix a packet of Forever Cardio Health with 4 ounces of your favorite aloe drink. It's the least we can do for a muscle that pumps nearly 100,000 times per day. Show your heart you can't live without it. Give it the nutritional support it deserves with new Forever Cardio Health from Forever Living Products.